We enjoy surfing the web every day, especially social media. It becomes prestigious when we find ourselves having many Instagram followers. In fact, one can also earn some cash. Today, I am going to show you a simple way of getting free Instagram followers. Let's get started. Before we start, take 2 seconds to click the subscribe button and the notification icon so as not to miss any of our updates. This is our test account with 0 followers. Head over to your browser and visit this website, www.like4like.com. Our first step is to create an account. This will take some few minutes. We are going to get Instagram followers for free. You will start getting legit followers soon. Remember, as soon as your credit is depleted, you won't get any more followers. Thank you for watching. Like and comment down below if it worked for you.